Hey, so in this video, I'm going to be unboxing the dashcam Piqo 2K, and this is the 1440. So what's cool about this dashcam is this offers a couple features that if you're automatically hit in a parking lot, it'll turn on. You can also turn on this camera whenever you're seeing something that is eye-catching or needs to be filmed, and it'll highlight that spot so you can go back and look at it. One thing to note on this camera is you are going to need an adapter or a quick connect that does not actually come with it. As we look here, we are going to have the plug where you can plug this into the back of the camera. Right, so we are going to have a nice 12-volt outlet plug that is going to come with it. It is going to come with an extra long cable that goes into the back of the camera and can plug into a quick connect port. This can be pretty long in case you do have to tuck this into any wires. And it also is nice because they give you this trim tool. This can be very useful when connecting these. You may or may not need this depending on what kind of adapter that you get. It is nice that it comes with a kit. And we are going to see that we also get a backup spare 3M adapter slide. And what's important about this is you can actually put a separate one of these in your other car. So if you don't want to buy two dash cams, but you have two cars, there's actually a quick release mechanism on this dash cam. So you can take it out and then slide it directly into your other car using this one, or it's just an extra spare. We are also going to get this really nice SD card that is going to be a V30, which is going to be a high definition one that's good all the way up to 4K. If you use the V10s, those are not going to be useful for a 4K and it won't hold the quality, but this is a very high quality SD card and it's also 32 gigabytes. Really nice that it does come with this. So as we move on into the box here, we're also going to get a couple stickers. This is reverse lettering on the sticker, so you can put this on your car so people know that you are protected. With this kit, you're also going to get a dry wipe and a wet wipe, a cleaning cloth. It's nice to have the cleaning cloth so you can clean the camera, make sure that that is going to stay crystal clear, and this is also going to be used in conjunction with the 3M little adapter port here so you can clean your window before installing it to make sure you get a really good adhesion. I love when companies send you microfibers like this because it's nice to just keep in your car, just use as an extra cleaning tool. And guys, the moment you've all been waiting for, this is the Piqo 2K 1440 camera. All right, so in this box, we're gonna get this really nimble camera that is super compact and light, and this has a very wide view lens. It does come with a protective material on here to keep this nice and safe, as well as up here to keep the black really clean. And this is the button that you're gonna go ahead and press if you do have something that pops up on the road or anything that you wanna film right away. If you press that button, it'll make sure that it highlights that spot so you can go back and find it easily. And this is the other section of the 3M backing that you do get, so this is going to be the second one. And my favorite part about this, like I was saying before, if you want to take this out and use this for your other car, all you got to do is slide down. So just say this is on your car and is mounted on your window. If you just slide this up, you can take this off and unplug it. Of course, you would have to have another plug for your other car all wired up, but all you got to do is take this out, put it in your other car, plug it in, slide it right in place, and this thing is going to be ready to use. We have a really nice ball joint mechanism, and if you hit a large bump, this thing is not going to move. Like, it is pretty planted on there. You can see how much force it's taking me to move this. It's not just going to move around. It's a really nice sturdy ball joint, and I do love about that. You get a ton of different angles that you can move this around to get the most optimal, best shot that you possibly can. This camera is super cool, really versatile. I highly recommend this thing, and I do love it. I can't wait to install this into my car. Check it out for yourself. But this thing is super lightweight, nimble, and small, and it's gonna honestly keep it a little bit more low profile. If you don't want people to know that you have a dash cam, this thing is pretty small and it's hard to see, so it can kind of keep you off the radar. This thing's really cool. I highly recommend it. Check it out for yourself. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.